Okay, for all you people who have trouble getting their iPod on black and white, I'm going to show you how to do it. Clicking it, slide. I had to put in my passcode. Sorry, there's a little glare. Go to settings. Go to general. Down to accessibility. White and black mode on. Here we go, it's white and black. I'm going to show you a few games. I'm going to show you my gun apps. This is the AA-12 single fire. This is just a fun app.
What is it? Nick. What? Nick. Anybody guess? Nick. Okay, that's all. Guess the oven. Nick.
I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna watch TV.